So in here, we are going to create a new database that can access my database. Let's create login or group rule, and I will name as Casey_user. And in definition, I put a password and save. And after successfully creating new user, we are going to my database, to room, and click properties and security. And gonna add user I created and grant all privileges. Save. And okay, that's all.